My oral health is thriving with the power of ProDentim. Every day I wake up with a bright, confident smile that reflects my inner wellness. ProDentim supports my gums and teeth with natural strength, making my dental care routine effortless and effective. I nurture my oral microbiome with powerful probiotics, ensuring my breath is fresh and my mouth feels clean and balanced. With each dose, my gums feel strong and healthy, and I embrace my journey to optimal oral health with joy. I trust ProDentim to enhance my oral wellness naturally, empowering me to maintain a balanced environment in my mouth. My smile inspires confidence in myself and others, and I celebrate the strength and beauty of my teeth and gums. Every day, I grow closer to my healthiest, happiest smile, grateful for the confidence ProDentim brings to my life. I feel empowered to care for my oral health, and I'm excited to see my oral health improve with ProDentim.